Hey there, wealth builders. This is the King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let's continue our exciting journey into the world of Bitcoin investing. As I mentioned last time, wealth builders, this video is the promised continuation of our previous discussion on the basics of Bitcoin, and we will be diving deeper into a step-by-step guide on how beginners like you can get started with Bitcoin investment. So, without further ado, join your king and let's get started. Before we jump into the steps, wealth builders, let your king tell you that it's crucial to understand just how vital these steps are in your Bitcoin investment journey. With that being said, I'm hoping that you'll listen carefully throughout this episode because I know for a fact that each step plays a critical role in ensuring the safety and success of your investments. Alright, let's start with the first step for beginners venturing into the world of Bitcoin investing, which is gaining access to a Bitcoin exchange. This is a crucial gateway to the vast cryptocurrency universe. Wealth builders, each exchange has its own unique features and advantages, making the selection process essential to your investment journey. Three notable options for beginners to consider are Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini. Each caters to different preferences and needs, and your king will elaborate on them one by one. Coinbase, renowned for its rigorous security measures, is an excellent choice for risk-avoidant beginners. This platform prioritizes the safety of your investments through features such as offline cryptocurrency storage, also known as cold storage, for digital assets and two-factor authentication. It also provides an intuitive user interface, making it user-friendly for those who are new to cryptocurrency trading. The second one is Kraken. Kraken stands out for its extensive support of various cryptocurrencies, making it a valuable resource for diversifying your portfolio. With a strong focus on regulatory compliance, Kraken is known for its transparency and robust security measures. Its advanced trading features, including margin trading, which allows you to borrow funds, and futures contracts, which provide an agreement guaranteeing asset prices, appeal to those looking to explore more advanced trading strategies. And lastly, Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss twins of Facebook fame, offers a unique blend of security and user-friendliness. It boasts a strong regulatory framework, assuring users of compliance with legal standards. Gemini's user interface is designed to simplify the trading experience, making it a great choice for beginners seeking an intuitive platform with reputable backing. These three are just a few of the Bitcoin exchanges that you can utilize. I must say, your choice among these exchanges is crucial and should align with your preferences, goals, and risk tolerance, setting the stage for your successful journey into the world of cryptocurrency investment. Now, once you've picked your exchange, the next step involves acquiring a Bitcoin wallet. Wealth builders, think of this wallet as the digital equivalent of a piggy bank, except it's far more sophisticated. The wallet serves as your secure vault, where you store all your valuable Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. It's not just a storage space, it's a tool that grants you control and access to your digital assets. Without a wallet, you won't be able to hold, send, or receive Bitcoins effectively, and your investments will remain vulnerable to external risks. As your king, I am well aware that selecting the right Bitcoin wallet is essential. Once you have your wallet, you'll be ready to take the next steps in your Bitcoin investment journey, and you're halfway there. Now that you've got your wallet that will soon be filled with tons of Bitcoins, it's time to move on to the next vital phase: linking your Bitcoin wallet to your bank account. This pivotal step serves as the bridge between the world of conventional finance and the thrilling realm of cryptocurrencies. And by establishing this connection, I can assure that you'll gain the ability to effortlessly buy and sell Bitcoins, making your journey into the crypto space smoother and more accessible. Wealth builders, linking your wallet to your bank account is like establishing a secure gateway. It enables you to seamlessly transfer funds between your traditional financial holdings and your Bitcoin wallet, ensuring that you have the liquidity necessary to capitalize on investment opportunities in the crypto market. Moreover, this linkage simplifies the process of cashing out your Bitcoin earnings, providing a straightforward path to convert your digital assets into traditional currency. Now, with your wallet ready and your bank account linked, the fourth step is placing an order and getting your first Bitcoin. And here's the beauty of it, wealth builders. You don't need to splurge on an entire Bitcoin. That's undoubtedly expensive. In fact, you can start your journey with as little as $25, making it accessible for beginners and small investors around the globe. So to get started, log into your chosen cryptocurrency exchange platform, wealth builders, which you set up in the previous steps. Once inside, you'll find various options for buying Bitcoin. Your king wants you to simply input the amount you're comfortable with, whether it's $25 or more, and the platform will calculate how much Bitcoin you'll receive. It's that easy. You see, the decentralized nature of Bitcoin transactions ensures speedy execution, and before you know it, you'll have your very first fraction of a Bitcoin safely stored in your wallet. This step marks the beginning of your exciting journey into the world of digital currencies, where even small investments can potentially yield substantial rewards over time. But before I reveal the final step, here's a question for all of you wealth builders. What makes Bitcoin investing exciting and attracts you to the digital world of cryptocurrencies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's see, maybe we have similar reasons. Alright, let's get back to the video. Now that you have completed the first 4 essential steps, the 5th and final step that your king wants you to take is simple. Efficiently manage your newfound digital assets, your Bitcoins. Wealth builders, it is crucial at this point to recognize that you have a range of options at your disposal, each with its own set of considerations. The first approach is to use your Bitcoin for online transactions. Wealth builders, utilizing your Bitcoin for online transactions is a compelling option in the realm of Bitcoin investing. As cryptocurrencies gain wider acceptance, more online retailers and businesses are embracing them as a form of payment. Alternatively, you may also choose to adopt an HODL strategy, also known as Hold On for Dear Life. Pretty catchy, isn't it? Anyway, this strategy is a widely known concept in the crypto community that refers to the practice of not selling your digital assets, such as your Bitcoin, even amidst extreme price fluctuations in the market. Essentially, this is where you hold onto your Bitcoins with the expectation that their value will appreciate over time. This approach requires patience and conviction in the long-term potential of Bitcoin wealth builders. If you've got that, this is perfect for you. Now, for those beginners who are seeking a more active approach, day trading, the strategy where traders buy and sell financial assets within the same trading day, might be the option for you. Your king has to admit, day trading offers the potential for rapid gains. However, it also carries significant risks. In other words, success in day trading requires a strong stomach for volatility and the ability to stay informed about global events that can impact cryptocurrency markets. If you're not cautious enough, your investment might just say bye-bye, and that's how risky day trading can be. Wealth builders, all I'm trying to tell you is that your decision must be aligned with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and understanding of the cryptocurrency market. Don't just get too excited and jump into quick earnings, wealth builders. Be mindful, control your emotions, and think long-term. Also, remember that effective management of your Bitcoin investments is not just about growing your wealth fast, but also about securing your financial future in this dynamic digital landscape we're living in. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. I'll see you next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.